Y'all, this is good. Today, I made chicken bacon ranch casserole. It's Tuesday, just got off work. This is a quick, easy meal. Very quick. And this is my first time making it too. It's good. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. I've also greased my baking dish. Also have, what you want to do for this chicken bacon ranch casserole. I have about 7 slices of bacon already cooked to a crisp. So what I'm going to do is have 2 large chicken breasts cut up into cubes. What are you doing under there? I'm going to add ranch dressing. Mommy. Yes, baby. And I just got off work, y'all. So this is a quick, easy meal. Quick and easy. So what I've done is just put some ranch dressing mix and olive oil in here, and I'm just going to mix that up together. I also have my shells cooking as well. He's running saying something, man. Just mom. Alright, so now that you mix that up real good, hot yet. Turn it up a little bit more. I don't think you're hot enough. What is it?
Hello there,
just
everybody.
Mix that up really good.
Making the late entrance is hot.
And we just got off work too. And I also use just the shell noodles and just cook it until it's kind of not all the way tender, because the oven is going to cook the rest of it for you. So I might be ready. I'm ready to tell. Anyway, you want to put your chicken, let it cook. No, it ain't ready yet. It's not hot enough yet.
You good?
Okay. I'm waiting on Leroy to get hot. And after he gets real good and hot, I'm going to add this chicken to the bacon grease. Yes, baby. What is it? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to add this chicken to the bacon grease.
Mom!
What, babe? Mom! Yeah, my little one is here talking too.
Mom!
So, what? Okay, so we're going to add that chicken to the grease. Yes. And we're going to let that cook till there's no more pink. You didn't hit his head, did he?
You got scared enough of that, buddy. You done got too tall. You think he still can stand on it? You see Mama cooking? You see Mama cooking? Yeah.
Okay. So that pasta looks good. I think it's soft enough.
That's Mom. That's Mom.
Mom's cooking. Mom's y'all at, but it's hot here. It's all summer drove up in a Lamborghini.
Yeah, it did.
I mean, it took June for it to get hot, but I'm still mad.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hitting those triple digits.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to drain these noodles and add them to my baking dish. And I'll be back. Okay. It's recording.
Yes, you're alive.
Alright, so I have drained the noodles and I added it to my baking dish. So I'm going to set that to the side until the chicken finished cooking to where there's no more pink. And I think this is a quick meal. I've never made it before, by the way.
But it looks like it's going to be full of flavor.
I know, huh?
Yeah, it's quite a bit happening.
Yeah, I think it's something quick for you working moms, dads out there that just got off work like we did and have to come home and cook. You can't eat fast food all the time. It just ain't good. Ooh, let me have some. You pop the soda. And I don't need any, but I need a swig.
Sorry, if y'all new to the channel, we country. Yeah, we'll drink a soda in the middle of a shot.
Look, this is just everyday living.
Every day.
Alright, that looks good, huh?
Yeah.
It's cooking in that bacon grease.
Extra flavor.
Let that cook a little bit longer. And I'll be back. Okay. So now what I want to do is take your noodles and you want to add your chicken to it. So just add your chicken to the noodles. And you don't want to get all that grease either, so. Now let me see if I can get a bigger spoon. It is live in effect in there. Okay, so just take it, add it to your noodles. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, so once you add that, let's just mix that in real good. Then you want to add your Alfredo sauce. And you can make yours homemade if you want, but it's Tuesday night. I just got off work, or Tuesday evening. And I wanted to do something quick for the family. And I'm going to use another one, Alfredo sauce. Let me just add that and mix that in really good. Mix it in as good as possible. You want to get those noodles real good with that Alfredo sauce. All right, so now that the Alfredo, the chicken, the noodles, or the shells are all mixed together real good, I want to sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top of it. And I like a lot of cheese. I don't know about my hubby. He likes a lot of cheese.
Yeah, I like a lot of cheese.
Okay, so that's mozzarella. I'm also going to add cheddar cheese as well. So it's going to be cheesy. Playtime's over, boy.
Oh, Leroy. The skillet master.
Mm-hmm. So just add that cheese on in there real good. Cover it up real good. Okay. Then the bacon, you just want to add some bacon on top of it. That's all you're doing is just adding bacon. Y'all hear my little one in there. I think he's ready to eat. He's already had his bath. I gave his bath as soon as we got home. Because at daycare, you know, they get a little motley. Playing outside and stuff like that too. Hey, you alright? Mama cooking? So just add that bacon, sprinkle it all on there. Now that we added the bacon, all I'm going to do is sprinkle with a little salt and pepper. Just a little salt and pepper on it. Not a whole lot.
That's just what you call a once over.
Yeah.
Give it a good once over.
Okay. Now it is going into the oven at 375 degrees. All right, y'all. So the chicken bacon ranch casserole is out of the oven. I let it cook and let the cheese melt for about 15-20 minutes. And there you have it. Chicken bacon ranch casserole. All right, so here's the finished meal for this Tuesday night. It's quick, it's easy. Your chicken bacon ranch casserole. I just made some green beans and a side salad. And there you have it.